Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel where we dive deep into the latest launches, upcoming models, and future technology shaping the two-wheeler world. Today, we explore one of the most anticipated maxi-scooters of the year, the 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180, a machine designed to bring premium comfort, modern features, and upgraded performance to everyday commuting. The 2026 Burgman 180 arrives with a fresh and more aerodynamic design that carries the true spirit of a luxury maxi-scooter. Suzuki has refined the body lines for better airflow and improved stability at higher speeds. The scooter now looks wider, more muscular, and more elegant with its extended front apron and redesigned side panels. Its LED lighting system, including headlamp, indicators, and taillight, delivers a sharp, futuristic look that clearly separates it from other scooters in its class. This new Burgman is powered by a 180 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine, tuned for smoother acceleration and refined city as well as highway performance. With improved fuel mapping and reduced engine vibrations, the 2026 model offers a more premium riding feel. Riders can expect strong low-end torque for city traffic and confident high-speed cruising for longer journeys. Suzuki has optimized the CVT to deliver better throttle response, making the ride feel more engaging and effortless. Comfort has always been the strongest pillar of the Burgman series, and the 180 takes it even further. The long, plush seat offers impressive support for both rider and passenger. The extended footboard gives multiple foot placement options, allowing riders to stretch out comfortably during longer rides. The wider handlebar and upright seating posture reduce fatigue, while the improved suspension setup absorbs bumps more effectively, making it ideal for rough city roads and long commutes. Suzuki has integrated advanced technology to match modern riding needs. The scooter features a fully digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, call and message alerts, and essential ride analytics. The addition of keyless start, USB charging, and enhanced underseat storage makes the Burgman 180 highly practical. Suzuki's updated Smart Connect system ensures better pairing stability and more detailed ride data for daily users. To ensure strong safety performance, the 2026 Burgman 180 comes equipped with front and rear disc brakes, along with dual-channel ABS for reliable stopping power in all weather conditions. The updated chassis improves balance and rigidity, giving riders more confidence while turning or riding at higher speeds. Wider tires provide enhanced road grip, contributing to a safer and more stable ride. Suzuki is expected to price the Burgman 180 competitively within the premium scooter segment, offering a perfect blend of power, comfort, and features. The 2026 model is aimed at riders who want the luxury of a maxi-scooter without compromising on everyday practicality. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180 stands out as a refined, feature-rich, and comfortable ride that continues the iconic Burgman legacy while bringing in modern upgrades for a new generation of riders. Thank you for watching Bike Shift. Stay tuned for more upcoming reviews and future bike insights.